Hello, we're back. Of course, now after watching the the rehearsal video, now we're going to watch the actual performance in a television show called AOS.
Actually, sis, this is the first performance ng choreo. And you know what?
Yeah, parang alam
The
ko yan.
first live performance will happen at the bench body of work.
Ah,
So
talaga?
we will be the first ones to witness it performed live. Kasi manunood ang inyong mga lingkod. Bahala kayong mainggit.
So ito pala yung lamang natin dun sa ibang mga nasa abroad na hindi naka-away for the bench. Charot lang. Pero alam mo, Blake, um, um, I don't know if it's safe to say, pero we heard some rumors even before the release na nag-tape na sila sa AOS weeks before.
Oo, parang may nag-ongoing naman, hindi naman siguro bago sa iba yun. Nakita naman siguro nila sa Twitter. Actually, may nag-comment pa nga sa chat natin. Hindi naman tayo yung naglabas ng info. So,
yeah, hindi kami naglabas ng info. Pero tawag doon, pero internally, nag-usap kami ni Blake na ano yung pinerform nila sa AOS? Lumang song? Anong performance kaya yun? Tapos parang sinabi ko pa, baka yun yung bagong album. Kaya nga lang wala pa tayo masyadong detalye nun about simula at wakas. So, is it safe to say na
actually, meron naman.
Dam?
Kumbaga, actually, we knew, I think, na Dam. Tapos parang nagbigay din ng hint yung taong yun na sobrang secluded ng performance na pero may narinig daw sila and maganda nga daw. So I think yun lang naman yung info na alam natin. Apart from that, well, yeah, we're here.
Yeah. Okay, so sorry. So let's watch the first performance of Dam. So actually, Blake, nung nilabas yung music video, almost immediately nung Sunday na perform siya, 'di ba? And on the same Sunday, Crimzone were performed with G-Force sa ASAP.
Actually, so parang ako that dance class was before that was before our dance class. Same choreo yung pinerform nila nung dun sa ASAP. Shit, sana pala dun ako nag-enroll para alam ko yung choreo na yun. Nakakainis. Para charot lang. Well, that's G-Force. Magaling pa talaga sumayaw ang G-Force.
Pero can you just imagine SB19's power during that Sunday na parang not really physically dominating both competing shows pero trending sa ASAP yung parang Crimzone dance performance. And of course, trending ang SB19 sa AOS. So, 'di ba? So let's watch. So this is the sigil. Sigil ba tawag doon? Oh, ng simula at wakas. Okay. Oh! Oh my God, I like the mic is on.
True,
of course, the mic is on. True.
The vocals, so steady. Narinig mo yun? Pinatay niya, hindi siya nagsalita. Pinatay niya yung part na yun para makakita yung difference na totoo yung boses niya.
Correct. Sometimes, Blake, ini-employ din yan nang nagpo-perform sa stage eh. Siguro para mabigyan din ng chance ay makagaya natin na parang ma-reassure na talagang live. Pero secondly, sometimes to catch a breath. Kasi nagpo-perform sila while dancing.
I don't think this is to catch a breath. I think this is because apparently there were some accusations na
Ay,
hindi daw
may
talaga ganun yung
accusation?
boses at range niya.
Ay,
So,
hindi.
this this
We know his
came
range.
back na
Mm.
parang, girl, ilang beses nang ginawa, parang you just choose not to listen, pero ngayon gagawin niya ulit to remind you that he sings live and that he is capable of this range.
Oo. Pero alam mo, eto lang, reminder lang sa inyong lahat, don't be so harsh sa mga artists na kagaya ng SB19. 'Cause, you know what? Iba yung kung paano nila ginawa 'to sa recording studio at iba kung paano nila 'to ipe-perform ng live. So sometimes talaga, these artists, ako sa totoo lang, ang SB19 yung isa sa mga artists na masasabi kong mas gusto ko sila napapakinggan ng live. So, we have to commend their skills sa
Though I
mga
don't think
ganitong,
that there was any difference. There wasn't much difference from the recording to this. I think
ako ako mas gusto ko, ako
so
mas
you
gusto ko
don't really
silang oo.
hindi, I mean, so you don't
Actually,
really have to you don't really have to say na we don't have to be too hard. Kasi with SB19, I don't think there wasn't much difference from how it was
ah,
recorded kasi
oo naman,
ine-deploy
pero
naman nila.
oo, generally speaking yung sinabi ko. Pero with SB19 nga, yun nga yung magaling, eh, na parang sa live mas magaling pa sila. Mas
Yeah.
makikita mo pa yung passion nila, 'di ba?
I like his hairstyle. Yung very bagsak
Hmm,
tapos very ang tapang ng face.
oo.
Galing ni Stel. Galing, 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 galing. Yan yung sinasabi kong transition.
Oo, oo nga.
Uy, galing ng sustain ni Josh sa voice niya, ha, in fairness.
Correct. I just
I
have
mean,
to say,
not
oo,
that I
tama
wasn't
ka.
expecting it, pero ang galing ng sustain niya dito. Kumbaga, alam naman natin when it comes to vocals talagang hindi naman nahuhuli si Josh, pero hindi talaga siya yung talagang lead when it comes to, and that's the truth. Pero in fairness dito, ha, na-sustain niya yung vocals ng napaka-steady at ang ganda.
Actually, that's my point nga, eh. Pagdating sa SB19 talaga, pagdating sa live, sometimes mas makikita mo talaga yung ano, yung pag-angat ng mga boses nila, 'di ba? Mas na-exemplify kumbaga yung talent nila when it comes to singing skills. So, talaga nakakabilib.
Kabog nga, eh.
Oy, wait lang ha, komento ko lang 'to, Blake, and this is in no particular group or artist. Eto, nabanggit ko na ata 'to sa isang live performance ng SB19. Na-master na nila kung paano hawakan yung mic when it comes to performing. Alam mo
True.
kasi, pansinin mo talaga 'yan 'no, when they practice or rehearse, kailangan parang may hawak-hawak silang mic in anticipation of a live performance.
Well,
Kasi
that is true
sometimes
naman.
kasi sometimes maganda naman yung boses ng artist, maganda naman yung breathing control, pero hindi marunong humawak ng mic. Walang discipline sa paghawak ng mic. Pero kitang-kita ko sa kanila, they already mastered
Ikaw bes may
holding the
disiplina
mic,
ka rin
eh.
sa paghawak ng mic, kilala kita.
Alam mo, yun ang gusto ko sabihin sa'yo, ikaw rin naman,
Hindi
may
sis,
disiplina ka
ikaw
rin.
ikaw ang number 1 diyan sis sa paghawak, pero sis, wala, ayoko na lang mag-comment.
Okay, okay. Pero, pansinin niyo po kung paano nila hawakan yung kasi I'm so tired of excuses ng others na mic yung may problema, tumatalon yung mic. Sometimes talaga pansinin mo, artist yung may ano dun, yung tunay na may control dun. And of course, yung mga tech people din, siyempre secondly.
Oo.
Ito ba yung literal na apakan mo ko? Charis. Charis, charis, charis.
Galing ng layers ng boses ni Pablo.
Uy. Wow,
Galing yung hand
nice.
movement kahit may hawak siyang mic.
Di ba? Yun na nga. Galing ni Ja. The footwork.
Oo. Galing nung sagutan nila dito.
Correct, correct. Oo.
Kilig na kilig ka naman. Ang grabing swag ni Ken. Yung parang napakasimple lang sa kanya.
Kaya nga eh. Parang napaka-natural. No? Ang galing ni Ja doon. Bakit wala akong naramdaman na hingal? You're already in the 3-minute mark. Of course, choreo yan. I mean, ano yun? Of course, may hingal na dapat yan. Pero I like the clarity of the sound still. 'Di ba? Kasi choreo tuloy. Cardio na yan eh. 'Di ba?
Yes, sinasabi kong very dancehall part is
Correct, correct. Mm-mm. Okay.
oh. Alam mo, minsan si Philip, kala mo, voice over eh.
Correct. Oo, akala mo backing vocals yun eh. No?
Kaso hindi,
Parang
legit
merong
na talagang boses yun, buong buo eh.
correct. Iisipin mo talaga may built bang sound effect sa ano niya, sa lalamunan niya, 'di ba? Pogi.
Alam mo sa mga haters na nagsasabing panay pasigaw lang ang performance ng SB19, I would just like to say na um there are instances where a song calls for a specific kind of emotion wherein it should feel like you're singing but you're still hitting the notes na hindi ka naman nagfa-flat while doing it. So I think that's what SB19 is trying to do since there are peaks and valleys nga dito. And of course, itong end na part na to, nagko-call na talaga to ng emotion eh. So if an artist can fully relay the emotions through loudness ng voice, it doesn't necessarily mean na hindi sila magaling kumanta. Actually, SB19 pa ba ang ka-questionin mo? I think one should question yung vocals muna ng iba before questioning SB19's vocals kasi I think they have been able to successfully demonstrate yung vocal capabilities nila. Not
Yeah.
necessarily here, pero ang dami-daming instances na sometimes people just choose not to listen and sometimes people would just have something to say. So it's not really worth engaging sa mga ganong comments na.
Well, sa ating mga supporters ng SB19, I can proudly and confidently say na individually they matured very well. Walang naiwanan sa grupong to. And I will just point this out ha. If you listen to them one by one, makikita mo talaga kung paano nag-mature yung boses nila when it comes to live performance, kung paano nila na i-deliver yung performance. Actually, forgivable nga sometimes yung yung hindi mo ma-deliver yung lyrics perfectly. Pero in their case, na-deliver nila ng sobrang maayos. 'Di ba sobrang at saka masasabi ko talaga, nasa tono. Nasa tono. They
Not
don't need to
necessarily shouting.
not necessarily shouting. And of course, no need to compensate for the dance move. Sometimes kasi 'di ba parang sabi ko nga, um, forgivable if makakarinig tayo ng hingal, makakarinig tayo ng medyo pagbabago doon sa recorded version, pero sa kanila wala eh. Binigay pa rin nila ng buo sa atin yung music, yung choreography, and of course the stage presence.
True.
I just have to be very honest na when I heard them na AOS yung una nilang magpo-performan, iniisip ko, will they able to bring the MV aesthetics into the stage, into the performance sa AOS stage, sa GMA? And I dare say, yes. 'Di ba? Yun yung nakakatuwa. And now, I share the same sentiment also na how will they perform this kung 5 lang sila? Not because hindi nila kayang 5, but because we've already seen the choreography ng lahat, including the dancers sa likuran. So, yun yung parang isa sa palaisipan ko. Pero I'm so impressed.
Siguro ako to end this video, parang ang magiging comment ko is, big thanks to GMA for actually allowing them to produce. Not everyone would allow you to produce your own set kasi it would be I understand this is shot separately, if I'm not mistaken. Feeling ko this was shot separately. Parang ito kasi nalaman naman natin na shoot to on a separate day.
Taped.
But
This is a
it can
taped
actually be
performance.
time consuming, tapos parang stress pa dun sa buong production. Pero feeling ko they allowed or they partnered na maibigay itong production na to. Though if I were to comment, sana may mga details pa yung mga pillars. But that's just me being nitpicky. Pero overall, I like the stage. I like how the lights really played out. Tapos yung smoke effects, tapos the gate and then the sigil. So it all worked out for me. So yes, kabog
Oo.
ito ng namin, ang reaction natin. So, thanks AOS for allowing the boys. Unang-una, biruin mo yun.
Yes, and of course, if you want to support our channel, nasa video description below lang through GCash, PayPal, and of course, if you want to be a member of MSE, i-click nyo lang po yung link below. Maraming chikahan doon, promise. Iba yung kwentuhan sa MST membership, di ba, Blake?
Patunayan nyo naman dyan mga MST members. Charot lang. Anyway, thank you very much for tuning in to our reaction video. I'm your Sugar Spice and sometimes nice. My name is Blake.
And this is Matt. Maraming salamat po. Bye.